Okay.
Go.
Sarap, no?
I'm always scared like when I
Ganda ng motor to.
I'm always scared when I go here. When I go here, I go to the feel like I'm like falling.
Yeah.
I balance since I was like 5 years old. I was like 5 years old.
Alright. Nice ride.
Good morning mga choy mga chay. Good morning internet. Good morning viewers. Ngayon ay May 22, tapos na yung aking debert. Then hatid ko lang tong aking bunso. Ay marami akong gagawing project today. Hindi man project, but marami akong kailangang linisin kasi may mga plano akong project dito sa backyard namin and then sa front. So kailangan ng pera. Kailangan ko ng pera.
Are you gonna buy the net later?
Yeah, bibili ako
Like
ng
that
net.
one.
So dadaan ako ng Home Depot today. Kakanbas muna ako kung magkano yung gagastusin ko. Of course, kailangan ng yung planning, budget. Kung magkano gagastusin dun sa likod, then order ng magtatanong sa magpapa-dump ako ng mga limestone para sa likod. Marami. Busy today. Uy, 50 kilometers na lang kailangan ko mag-fill up. Si ate na lang magsundo sa'yo mamaya, ha?
Yeah.
Kasi baka busy na ako dun sa likod. Okay? Busy,
What
busy.
are you gonna do there?
I'm gonna do something, bro. You wanna say hi to them? Nami-miss ka daw nila. Yeah, kunin ko lang yung aking aking susi, nahulog. Tutod ko lang sa kanyang school. Oh! Dito ako sa Home Depot. Canvas lang muna ako ng bricks. Ito maganda rin tong arkilahan, no? Kasi kung ang delivery ay medyo mahal, ito na lang. Pwedeng magkarga ng bricks dito. Yeah, meron akong hitch doon eh. Patanong ko lang tong rental ng trailer. Pwede ako magano. Wala kasi akong pick up. Wala akong pick up truck. Kaya ang ginagamit ko ay pwede akong mag-hitch dito. Banti ko pa ng konti. Kaya lay pa pala. Okay. Meron ako nakita mga bricks nila dito eh. It's not triangle like when you make like this.
No, this is a 5 feet.
Yeah, that's a 5 feet, yeah. No, not that one. Like this one, right? Yeah, yung pit ko. Sasalpak na lang siya. $406. Here. $3 each. Pwede din to eh. This one is $6. Laki masyado. Ito pwede na ito. Kasi ano mo siya eh. Layer kaya dalawa, 2, 4, $6 each. Ito maganda. Kagandahan kasi dito sa Home Depot, nandito na lahat yung mga gusto mo sa garden mo, sa improvement ng bahay mo, nandito na lahat eh. Kaya mamimili ka na lang kung anong klaseng project yung gagawin mo. This one is ready na siya, oh. Assemble mo na lang. Meron ka ng pit. Pero wala na akong ano dyan, space sa aking garahe. $406. Okay. Nakakuha na ako ng ano. Lilinisin ko muna yung aking backyard. Then saka ako mag-cut para alam ko kung ilang bricks yung kailangan ko. Dahil mahirap mag-order ng marami. Tapos hindi mo magamit lahat. Bricks. Then good soil para sa mga flowers. Excuse me, where I can find the jerry can?
There should be a plumbing here somewhere.
Bat fans, that PVC fittings. For gas, right?
Yeah.
Jerry cans.
Well, that fellow and those two people way at the end there,
Yeah.
they work in plumbing. They
Thank you. Alright, kailangan ko lang dito $9 gas jerry cans siya para sa aking loan. Meron akong jerry can but natanggal yung takip niya. $5. Okay. Yeah. My friend, this is all I've got.
Nothing. Thanks. A good day.
Yeah, you have a good day.
Yeah. Thank you.
Tingnan nyo yung aking loan. Come on, little boy. Come on, little boy. Ano ba to? Ah, okay. Show without what got you. Stand up. Yeah. It's true. It's true. Okay, puno na. Alright. Laisla. Start ko muna siya. Warm up. Warm up mga chuy. Where is that there? Oh, nice. Lumos may noon eh. Tagal na to eh. gonna change? Look, yung aming recycle dito, kinukuha nila ng recycle. Sa ibang province, binibenta yung mga recycle. Kaya lugi kami dito eh. Kanila may mga recycle ng mga bote, kinukuha. Lahat yan mga recycle, mga bote. Ang dami, buong Manitoba. Eh, samantalang sa Saskatchewan, Alberta, British Columbia, binibenta nila yung mga bote ng mga tubig. Kaya ang gagawin ko, mag-iipon ako ng mga recycle, dadalhin ko sa Saskatchewan, doon ko bibinta. Ayan, pero nagamit ko naman. Umalis kami na aking anak. Bumili kami ng mga gamit. Topsoil, perennial na perennial na mga bulaklak para sa harap, then hose, and then leaf blower, then ito ay yung pampatay ng weed, yeah. Then string para sa tawag doon, yung aking pang trimmer, mga bulaklak na perennial. So anyway, habang hindi pa ciao muna ako dahil tatapusin ko itong dami ko pang gagawin. Sarap magtrabaho ngayon sa labas dahil mainit. Ganda ng weather. Sarap magpainit. Ito yung pag meron kang bahay, may mga maintenance ka or mga binibili. Gardening. Ito perennial. Ang ganda ng bulaklak nito. Yan kulay white, orange. Perennial yan. Ito naka-sell siya sa mababa lang, 250 CFM 18 volts, pero one set na siya. Naka-sell siya sa Home Depot ng $98. So kasama na yung charger and yung item. Yeah. Asan ang baterya? Ito yung baterya. Laki din pala. Okay. Ito sa aking tubig timer. Pero mag-o-order ako ng the remote and Wi-Fi. Walang charge. Oh, okay. Yung baterya ay plastic pa, hindi siya mag-connect. Not bad. Not bad. Tanggalan ng alikabok. Hindi siya ganun kalakas, but okay na yan. Kasi mower ako sa harap eh. Parang mahina, no? Or mahina lang yung battery. Itong sa aming kapitbahay, sinasama ko na rin sa ano, nilinis. Dahil hindi naman nabibinta yung recycle namin dito, ito yung perwisyo, itong mga karton eh. Kailangan mo siyang putol-putulin. Dahil pag inilagay mo siya buo sa recycle, madaling mapuno. Gagaya nito. Di ba? Ito, pag ilagay mo yan dyan, wala na yan, puno na. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, iniisa-isa ko. May nakalagay pa, oh, register today. Kunin ko nga ito. Kaya kailangan, putol-putulin ko siya. Para magkasya lahat. Maaari ayoko ng kalat sa garahe. Kaya itong mga gamit dito, pagtatapon ko yan, yung mga hindi na kailangan. O, diba? Lumiit. Kasya. Meron pa isa. Bang!
Ng kasing laki ng ganon?
Malaki ng konti para magkasya siya. Kaya ginawa na aking anak. How is it? Oh, nice. Lagyan mo ng topsoil.
I did, you know.
Huwag mo muna balikan. Huwag mo balikan ng ano. Kasi mainit yung ano. Warm yung block na yan. Yung mga block na yan, warm yan siya. Huwag mo siyang tabunan ng warm. Alisin mo. Mamamatay siya. Kaya, alisin mo. Then, lagyan mo siya ng tapos ko akong tubig.
That's on. Yan o. That's good. Ito yung pampatay ng weed. Mga weeds ba eh. Daming weed eh. Ito ay battery operated. This is $27 yata. May kasama ng baterya. Okay. Oh, careful. Ano mo dun? Malalim na yan? Ha?
I'm not even done yet. I just opened
Okay.
it.
Sige. Hapon na guys. Hindi pa ako tapos. There you go. Ang tubo niya ay 1.5 meters. Mga ganito. Pag lumaki na siya. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Mongo Fine. Okay. Mongo Fine. Lagyan ng ano. Ang tawag nyo dito? in my dream. There you go. You're my little boy. May lechon pa doon. Yung nasa box.
Yun na, nilagay ko.
Lagay mo?
Nalis ko ang taba. Nalis ko ang mga bala.
Alam mo, kaya yung damo ay ano, dami pang patay na hindi na ano eh. Hindi makahinga.
Kain.
Thank you. Dami pang patay, yun oh, dry na damo. Yeah. Huwag na. Ito na dyan.
Ayos pa na. Carrots na. Nilagay ko tayo ng mga bata. Maraming gabi.
What do you have there? What do you have? No more?
What? No, I have some stuff.
Huh?
I have some stuff.
Oh. How much they pay you for this one?
Huh?
How much they pay you for this one?
What, for like a week?
Yeah. It's paid by a week?
No, every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks? How much?
Like 50 or 60.
Oh, not bad, right? Thank you. Yung mga batang ano, yung part-time nila. $50 a week. At least may pera sila, di ba? Just in the front, okay? Go,
Why just wanna play soccer?
go.
Well, actually, I forgot. I forgot.
Wait, kasi mahaba, maiksi yung upuan natin na. Wait. Oh. Maliit na sa'yo itong bike. Oh.
I wanna play soccer.
Wait lang. Okay.
I just wanna play soccer.
Okay, go. Go. Hindi ka na marunong? Just 1 year? 1 year ka lang din nag-bike? Yeah, go.
I forgot.
Try it. Or you want the big bike kay Uwa?
No.
Try mo na yan. Go. Punta ka muna sa kalsada, dyan oh. Dyan oh. Sige na dyan oh. Okay. Laki na niya eh, no? Oh, see? Oh. You want a big bike kay Uwa? Huh?
It's too big.
No, it's not. Give me that. yung TV, nilagay ko muna dito dahil may paglalagyan kami. So dyan muna, pagkaso lang walang remote. Wala na ako lagos. Okay. Sa kanyang uwa to eh. Hindi naman ginagamit. BMX. Ito yung bagay sa'yo dahil big boy ka na. Yan, bibinta na natin yan or bibigay natin yan.
So still
Wait.
big.
Wait lang kasi masyadong haba. Malaki.
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. Now we sway. We just sway. Don't stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Can't you see? Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I have on to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. And now we sway. We just sway. Levitating with you. Anything can
One.
happen. What you think we
Okay.
should do?
One more.
Tonight begin. We're just flying high.
Okay, one more.
Coming down. Come
Laki na
right
niya
up
eh.
next to me. Step aside to side. I wanna sway.
Okay.
And we can dance the night away.
Okay, no.
Right.
Okay.
I'm tripping on a
2-0. Okay, I'm gonna score now. I'm gonna score now. 2-0, okay? Woo! Oh! Oh! Okay. Mercy. Go there. This is not for soccer, bro. This is for volleyball.
It's for volleyball.
Okay. One. Ito ako tapos, guys. Okay. Ready? Ready? Oh! 2-1. Okay. 2-1. Okay. Whew!
Imagine it goes over you.
Very fast, okay? It's so hard. Kick so hard. Ready? Oh! 3-1. Okay, last one. Last one. I'm gonna score. I'm gonna cover it. You cannot score now. You cannot score now. You cannot score.
'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I
Good score.
need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling. Close your eyes and just play.
Woo. You win. You win, win, win.
Do you remember when I told you I can win in a 1v1?
In a 1-by-1, right? Laki na niya.
You know my kicks are so powerful and like go so high.
Really?
Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling. Close your eyes and just play. And I'll be sway. And we just sway. And I'll be sway. We just levitating with you. Anything can happen. What you think we should do? Let's not begin. We're just flying high. We're not coming down. Come right up next to me. Step aside to side. I wanna sway. Yeah, we can dance the night away. Right. Want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling. Close your eyes and just play. And I'll be sway. And we just sway. And I'll be sway. And we just sway.
So guys, tapos whole day nakapagtanim na ako sa harap, nakapaglinis na ako dun sa harap, natanggal ko na yung mga bad grass na last year pa rin nakatago dun sa lawn, mga damo. Medyo boring nga lang yung vlog dahil well, nandito sa bahay. Linis ko na dun, pati yung aking aircon. Ito na lang bukas, ayusin ko ito bukas. Liit lang bahay ko, no? Garahe malinis na. Everything malinis na. So bukas, ano bang, yan pala, sunroom. Mabasagi, aalisin ko sana yan, pero sayang eh. So renovate ko na lang, ayusin ko. Lalagyan ko ng sahig yung ilalim niya para matambayan uli. Then babaguhin ko yung kilid niya. And then, yeah, meron pa kaming tiningnan na gazebo. Yung gazebo doon namin ilalagay, oh. Pero kailangan ko siyang patagin. Kita nyo, parang tagilid ang konti, eh. Lalagay kong gazebo doon. Then dito fire pit. Daming gastos pag summer. Hinihintay ko lang matapos yung aking wife maligo. Then ako na maligo. Then I'm done for the day. May 22. Ito yung aking ginagawa pag nasa bahay. Yeah. Ito yung aking pinagkakaabalahan. Sakit sa katawan, pero at least ang dami kong na-accomplish today. Hindi lang gala, but ang dami kong na-accomplish. Loan, everything. Nice bald spot doon. Yeah, everything. Ano pa ba? Lagi ako nag-iisip ng may magagawa everyday pag nandito, eh. Pero sakit na yung katawan. So paano? bibitawan ko na kayo. So until next time, sa aking next vlog, abangan ninyo kung anong mga susunod na kabanata dito sa Winnipeg. Kasi Friday pa lang bukas, papaload nyo to Saturday. And Monday pa ako babalik, but not sure kung meron talagang load by Monday. But take chance ko muna tong off ko na 4 days para mas marami akong magagawa. But I need to spend money sa aking mga gagawin kasi, so of course kailangan natin ng mga gamit. It is what it is. So paano, daghang salamat pag-amping mo tanan. Bibitawan ko na kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-likes lang, and comments. Daghang salamat, amping. Have a good night.